Today we're going to learn about word families.
Hey guys, I'm Tiger.
Let's talk about an and at families.
A-N-N.
And at. Words that end with A-N-N. B-A-N, ban. C-A-N, can. F-A-N, fan. M-A-N, man. P-A-N, pan. R-A-N, ran. T-A-N, dan. V-A-N, van. At family, A-T. Words that end with A-T, at. Let's start. B-A-T, bat. C-A-T, cat. F-A-T, fat. H-A-T, hat. M-A-T, mat. P-A-T, pat. R-A-T, rat. S-A-T, sat. Now you all try to read the words and speak it loudly. Can you think of any words and with letter A-N-N? Can you think of any words that ends with letters A-T, at?
Hope you enjoy my word families video. Do like and subscribe. Tiger and Major. Whoosh!
Grow with Tiger and Nature.